Hello everyone. Hi, how are you guys doing? So I am bringing this video after a long time, and yeah, I've been away for some time for some personal reason, but now I'm back. And what I saw is there are some good, exciting updates available for Alberta immigration stream. So just wanted to share with everybody so that you would know the correct information that's going around. So first and foremost, the usual housekeeping. Please join my channel if you can, and please join the WhatsApp groups if you want to share and learn from your experiences. Okay, so the first things first, what happened in the last few months? So if you go into the Alberta immigration webpage and then click on the program updates, there have been two recent good updates or exciting updates that I see. Well, whether it's a good news or bad news will depend on individual person, but I would like to take it positively. The first thing that you must have seen on the thumbnail, Alberta Opportunity Stream will resume accepting applications on June 11th. This is very much expected on the line that if you have seen my few live streams or few of the earlier videos, I was mentioning that around mid-year we can expect the AOS to open up, and this is what is going to happen. Around June 11th, it will open up, but it will open up under new guidelines. So that is very important. Let me zoom it in. Zoom it up. Yeah. So Alberta Opportunity Stream will resume its new application, but under the new guidelines. Why these new guidelines? Aaip thinks this will result in better processing times, and it will give you multiple opportunities to apply. So what is going to happen? If you look into this particular video, I will link this video here. This will give you a kind of background to what has happened. So just quickly go to that video and you would see that I tried explaining there that the Premier of Alberta was requesting a federal government for additional allocations for the 2024 year. So for a long time, Alberta Aaip was not reporting on the latest allocation of nomination certificates that was allowed by the federal government, and one of the reasons was that there was discussions going on and on the number of certificates. Alberta wanted more certificates to be allocated to itself just because there is a huge demand here. But recently what happened is there was a news item which I will try and find and put a screenshot if I can. So there was a news item which said that federal government has kind of put its foot down and kept the nomination certificate at the same limit as 2023. Okay, so what does that mean? So if you have seen, if you're not new to this channel, you must have seen that last year last year the Aaip was allowed 9750 allocations, 9750 certificates to be was allocated to Alberta, and the numbers remained same for this year. Okay, let me just find that particular stream here, processing time. So if you see here, in 2024, Aaip has received 9750 nominations, which is same as last year. If you see into my earlier videos, it was almost 20,000 they were requesting. But for 2024, 9750 is what Alberta will get. And this is one of the reasons, since the number of certificates are so limited, they want to do a staggered approach to the application process. So if you look into this, what will happen? I have covered the details, or I will cover the details in another video of the changes required, because that is more of a global change. But there are certain important things that you need to remember. So from till now, so June 11 will be the reopening of AOS. From June till December, 7 months. For 7 months, each month AIP will accept a limited number of applications. Okay. Once the application is accepted, no more applications would be accepted for that month. But that doesn't mean you are done for the year. You can apply in the next target date. So if you miss one target date, there is a high chance you can make it to the next target date. And by this, you will have 7 application dates available to you. On each date, the number of applications is limited, and it will only accept those number of applications. How many number of applications? I will just get to that. And this will help them to improve. This is what Aaip is hoping, that it will improve the processing time. So if you go to the processing times and application levels here, you will see there are multiple data here, but I will just take you to the data that I was talking about. So application targets by date. So almost 430 applications would be accepted in 11th of June. So 11th of June. And then in July, another 444, August 430, September 444, and so on. So I think they are just keeping alternating between 430 and 434 for 444 for the rest of the year. In a similar way, they have declared numbers for other streams. So this can obviously change, but this is what it is as of now. So 11th of June, get ready your applications. Your eligibility criteria and other things have not changed. Okay, I will just show you here. See here. So for eligibility criteria for Alberta opportunity stream and all other streams have not changed. So if you are eligible for AOS, go through the guidelines. I have multiple videos on eligibility for AOS. Have a look at that, and then get ready with your new application package. So good news for those people who are waiting for AOS to resume, and I hope this you would be able to get through for most of the people who were waiting with bated breath. If you have any questions, reach out to me on the WhatsApp groups or through the comments of this particular video. Again, I will try to be more regular from now. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.